SubTrade, subcontractor software built for the trades.
This process documents how to manage time tracking entries and approvals within SubTrade software. It ensures accurate recording and validation of work hours for project management and payroll purposes. Click Time Tracking to open the Time Tracking section in SubTrade. Click here to access additional time entry options available in the system. Click here to filter hours per project. Click here to filter hours per employee. You can create a custom time entry or approve time entries from employee. Fill up the fields for the new time entry. Click here to view the list of pending time approvals. Click Approve All or one by one for each employee. Click the User Summary entry to review detailed hours and pay information for each employee. This process documents how to accurately record, assign, and approve time entries within SubTrade software. Successful completion ensures precise tracking of work hours and proper authorization for payroll processing.